Question 15 of the WASSCE 2019 Mathematics Past Question. That's your WAEC 2019 Past Question. It says simplify this. Okay. Sorry, this is log 6. This should be, sorry for the typo. This should be log 6 base 10. Okay. All right. So it says simplify this. So let me write this down again. So log 6 base 10 minus 3 log 3 base 10 plus 2 over 3 log 27 base 10. Okay. All right. So so from here, let's simplify this. So we have here, we have log 10 log 6 base 10 minus, take this 3 up here. Okay, we're just trying to simplify this. Okay, so we have 3 raised to power 3 plus, take this 2 over 3 up here. So we have what, log that's base 10 27 raised to power 2 3. Okay, and 27 raised to power 2 3, let's simplify this. 27 raised to power 2 3, that it means we are going to what, the cube root of 27. Is that not it? We're going to find the cube root of 27. Okay, then we're going to square that. All right, and what's the cube root of 27? That is what, 3 times 3 is what, 9. Is that not it? Times another 3 will give us what, 27. So the cube root of 27 is what? Is cube root of 27 is what, 3, and 3 square is will give us what, 9. Okay, so we simplify this as 9. And what is 3 raised to power 3? 3 raised to power 3 is 27. Is that not a 3 times 3 times 3, which will give us what, 27. Okay, so from here let's write this down. So we have log, okay, log 6 minus log 27 plus, we'll simplify this as 9 minus log what, 9. Okay, so from here now we can easily just bring out our log 10. Remember, in logarithm, when you have a negative sign is what, division, right? So we have 6 divided by what, 27, and when you have a positive sign, it's what, a multiplication. Okay, times what, 9. All right, so we have this. You know why I brought out this log 10 is because it is what, common to everything here. All right, so from here we can cancel out. 3 here will go how many times? How many times will 3 go into in 27? It will go 9 times. And 3 here will go how many times? 2 times. And this 9 can cancel out this 9. 9 here 1, 9 here what, 1, and we're left with what, 2. So our final answer here will be what? Log 2 base 10. Okay, so this is our answer, and our right option here is option B.